I love that. Alright guys, so I have a paintball gun. None of my friends know that I have one. So I'm gonna tell them to meet me up somewhere. And once they meet me up there, I'm gonna be like, yo, where are you at? And I'm gonna tell them, just meet me up wherever I tell them to meet me up. I'm gonna show up with the paintball gun in. Oh, it's a safety. And I'm up. Go have some fun with my new gun. Say cuz.
Say.
State your name right now. Say something. Hey yo, David.
What's good?
What's 2 plus 2?
Equals 15.
That's right. You dunces, motherfucker. Why you scared, bro? Don't even trip. There's nothing there.
You don't know what I'm packing, bro.
Never.
You feel me?
Never.
Look back down. Look back up. Look back down. Look back up. That's right.
Yeah.
Look back down. Look back up. Look back down.
Oh, fuck. Bro, ain't even that serious. It ain't even that serious. David.
Yeah.
If you miss this shit, bro, I gotta shoot you.
Okay.
But if you score, I'll let you shoot me. Deal? Shake on that bitch.
Wait.
Come on, don't be a pussy.
How? Like, where are you gonna shoot me, or what?
Like, I just shoot you.
I have to sprint off.
Like, from this line, and then once you get to that second line right there, I'll shoot. So deal?
Would that be my only clip, though?
Huh? Yeah, once I shoot one time, then it's over. If I miss, then I miss. But if you finish this hoe, then you shoot me.
Okay.
All right, then.
Woo! Let's go! Let's go! One.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Is red an adjective or a noun?
That's easy, bro.
That's easy.
That's easy.
No one tell him. No one tell him. No one tell
I
him.
don't know the differences.
Come on.
But should have paid attention in
Hey,
elementary school.
Shit,
Come
but
on.
I don't know about red.
Spell red.
Red, L-S-T-E-R.
Adjective.
Yeah.
Yo.
It's both. One.
Oh,
I got that one.
So. What?
Oh!
I told y'all, let me shoot that. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Oh no! Where you going? It's on safety. It was on safety.
That boy gone. Hey, guitar, I think we found something.
What is it?
It's a guitar.
What the fuck? What is
Oh,
That boy scared the fuck out of me.
is that a glory hole? Oh,
Yeah.
This one's for me right here. Chill out. Oh.
Oh, y'all hear that?
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Fire, bro. Fucking with it.
What you think?
Oh my god.
From a scale of 1 to 5. Cool. Oh, she does have a butt chin. Hey, do you wipe your chin?
What?
Do you? Oh, you stay right there. Let me go look real quick.
Yeah.
Hey, I ain't finna cap. That was funny as fuck.
Hell yeah.
I was outside that boy said, I said, David, he said,